These are known as upside down jellies, and you'll notice something a little different about these jellies. They're upside down. They like to live that way, something that's normal for them, and that's because they actually have algae that lives inside of them. We call that zooxanthellae. With algae, they need the sun in order to survive, so they orient their bodies up towards the sun, and that algae goes through photosynthesis, where they turn the sun's energy into food. These jellies are called South American sea nettles. So the food actually goes from the tentacles and right up the oral arms, kind of like conveyor belt almost, as it reaches the mouths there and gets digested. Jellies, even though they don't have brains, they actually can sense when they catch food. They do have a nerve net which senses their environment a little different way than we do. So they can tell the difference between the same species and a different species, whether it's prey or a predator. These here are called comb jellies. The reason why they're so different is because they don't have any stinging cells whatsoever, so no tentacles. And if you look really close, you'll see that there looks like there's a rainbow that's going through them, or lights. And what that is they're actually refracting the light, so they actually attract their prey to them by showing off this reflection. These zooplankton that we feed them get attracted and stick right to their bodies, so they have these really sticky lobes that just kind of catch their prey and go into their stomachs. So in here is where all of the magic happens. So we actually will hatch these brine shrimp out every single day, and we feed our jellies 3 times a day. And these brine shrimp are a brackish water, but you can actually find them in very, very salty water. And we hatch them out by using their cysts, or their little tiny eggs. We put them in their right salinity temperature and their environment, and the next day, boom, we have all of these brine shrimp that we're able to feed our jellies. And our jellies, we also enrich our brine shrimp with different things. We give them oyster ovarian tissue, rotifers, and also real oceanic eggs to help keep our jellies' food nice and nutritious. We also feed our brine shrimp different algae to make sure that they're nice and full and happy, so that if our brine shrimp are happy and full, then our jellies will be too.